Hi there, in this video I'm gonna explain you what's the difference between environment variable and shell variable in Linux. So for that, open the shell and then open the shell terminal, and then if you want to see what are the environment variables, just type this command print env and it will display the list of all the environment variables. So as you can see, these are all the environment variables. Let me just format it. So there are 44 environment variables right now, and the local variables you can create, like say I want to create variable 1, say var1, my var1 is equal to say xyz, and hit enter. So my var1, this is the shell variable or the temporary variable we can say. So that's the basic difference. I mean, the global environment variables are usually in the uppercase letters, and shell variables are usually in the small case letters. And just to ensure that this my var1 is set, you can use this command echo $my var1, and as you can see, it is displaying the value of that variable. And to ensure that that is not in the included in the print like environment variable, what we can do is we can execute this command and try to find that pattern my var1 in that, and it should not be there in there. This is because my var1 is a shell variable, not an environment variable. So just remember, all environment variables can be printed using print env command. And if you want to find the local variables, you can directly access that variable using echo dollar and then variable name. So that's how you can find out. So that's the basically difference between local shell variable and the environment variable. So another difference between them is that if you create a new bash process or child process and say try to print that variable, say var1, my var1, as you can see, it is not displayed value because that variable was in that particular shell only. That's why it is called as shell variable. But if you access environment variable over here, you can access it because that's an environment variable and it is across, you can access that across all the sessions or all shells. So if I do echo $home, it should display me value since it's an environment variable and it is accessible from any shell. So to come out of the child shell, just type exit command, and then now if you do echo $my var, it should display the value because right now I'm in that shell and the value of that shell variable was set in that shell. So that's the difference between environment variable and shell variable in Linux. If you like this video, hit like button.